For those that are having trouble removing the main unit from the clamp kit on the Sena 20S like so, here is a quick tip. Squeeze the main unit and the clamp kit together, then press the release button on the clamp kit and proceed to slide the main unit off of the clamp kit. Keep in mind that you may need to wiggle as you slide the main unit off because of this piece of the clamp kit that is there to help prevent the main unit from sliding off accidentally. When attaching the main unit onto the clamp kit, press down firmly until you hear it click into place.